Hey guys, Spencer at Z1. Today we're taking a moment to look at our newest lineup on the brake catalog. We're making an expansion into a smaller and lighter set for you. So you may be familiar with our Ford Street brakes, available for a number of years now. A lot of you have them. Really great kit. We also have our track kit. Very fond of this kit myself. I've had seat time with a lot of these things, but as the power has increased for me, this has been the one for me. But I've got a lot of great times enjoying kits similar to this size. Instead of a 355 or a 375 millimeter rotor, the Touring kit features on a rotor size about 330. So near that factory spec of the 350Z Nismo, or performance trims, the G35 of the era in the early 2000s. We've taken kind of inspiration and model from that kit and expanded on the Fitment with some adaptations and improvements in this line. The really cool thing on the Touring line is that we followed suit with construction techniques that we used on our other kits, which is forged aluminum housings that are then machined, heat treated. They get a hard anodizing, which makes things like the threads, even on the bleeder, stronger than like a conventional cast caliper, which is good. We find we get a few more bleed life cycles out of those before a caliper is toast. And nice upgrade. We continue on with that to add a multi-stage powder coat finish. It's pretty tough, holding up well, and it looks great on the car. So you get options right out of the gate to pick your color. If you want to do black, yellow, or red, always available with factory fit options. So when you get into a kit like this, the nice thing is you got options on rotors. You can run something from our lineup, whether that's an OE part, Z1 one-piece rotor and performance trim, like drilled and slotted or a slotted only. You could go into a two-piece style rotor and cut some weight, improve the heat shedding. You've got options on pads, everything from OE replacement, aftermarket. If you're looking to just do daily driver, keep the dust and cost down and noise down, you can go up the echelon with the factory fit and have a lot of options without really extreme costs that sometimes we see come with, more catered big brake kits that are spec and don't use a factory fit pad. Really nice positive thing there to have the options on those parts. Even the construction inside, hydraulic pistons, we use aluminum pistons to help pull some heat off those pads and shed that away. And the seals are all factory style. So you could rebuild these with OE parts or our rebuild kits, all available. Really kind of nice features to have for the life of a product when you invest in it. Pad abutment plates are something also you see unique on thof kits that some of our larger pad set calipers don't all have. So if you're doing really competitive driving, you're at the track on very high load, super sticky tires, kind of helps the calipers hold up better to the loads that get put in on the pads while reducing noise, rattles, and any tolerance issues. Touring kit, great option. Fitments available for 350Z, G35. We've got direct bolt-on fitments that are a separate spec without having to remount your knuckle for 300ZX. We've got fitments available for R32 and 33 models, and you can install these on an S13 or S14, but you'll need to update or take care of a solution on your parking brake as well. That's not something standard included in a kit. Really great option, better wheel fitment if you've got something maybe smaller on an older car, maybe a 17 you're trying to fit under, or a wheel spec you have that has like a low disc height. You get a little more flexibility without having to space her out compared to something maybe more bulky, it has a bigger presence on the car. Still looks really great, lightweight, nimble. That steering feel is going to be better in these kits than typically our larger kits, but not quite as much thermal mass, not quite as much brake torque at the same pad levels or pressures. It's all in finding what's the right fit for you. So another cool thing about Z1 brake kits and packages is that we try to provide wheel fitment templates for these. So you can find them usually at the bottom of the listings to have a link for a page you can print out. It'll have a scale square on it. You need to make sure when you print that scales out to about 1 inch. But the nice thing is you can cut it out along the line and test fitment in a wheel. So if you find yourself in a situation where you're not sure, will these brakes fit my wheels? I love my wheels, or I'm not ready to buy new wheels. That's a really great place to start. Print it out, pull the wheel off, check it. See, is a Ford Street kit the one you're really looking for and right for you to fit? Are you looking for something a little lighter, a little more compact and nimble? Are you looking for something that has like the ultimate thermal capacity, brake torque? You've added a significant amount of power, you still got some weight, and you're pushing the limit hard, you may need something like that. But a lot of our drivers are finding, keep it light, keep it nimble. The power's moderate, it's been bolt-on and tuned, the car's in good performance, I'm driving at a performance level, but I'm not competing for gold. Maybe a kit like our Touring kit or something in the middle is the right fit for you. If you guys have questions on this, you're trying to figure out what's the right package or combo for you, you want to maybe put something together custom where you're doing a 6-piston front and a different 2-piston rear, or you want to match it up just like the 4-piece kits are set up, we've got you covered. If you're not sure about what the right part is for your application, feel free to reach out to our team by email or call. We're here for you and be happy to try and get you set up and dialed in on the right parts for your application. If you guys have questions, reach out. We're here.